Welcome guys, my name is Dan. I want to introduce you to the newest addition to my home, my Tubbo. Let's check it out. So, with the global pandemic, many of us have been forced to work from home. I don't know about you guys, but I have a tough time concentrating at home. Tubbo has provided me the perfect solution. I have my own isolated space right here in my backyard, and I don't have to waste any time commuting to work. And when I'm done working, I can invite my friends and family over for a good time.
I'm sorry.
As you can see, everybody loves the Tubbo. Tubbo is a space where I feel free and protected. It's like having 3 rooms in one. It's like being outside, but being inside.